Hi everyone, as you can see, I have started Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome, you have to open for Web Store. And now in Web Store, search for Chrome Remote Desktop. It is an app by Google Chrome for unrooted devices. And now you can see option is there, add to Chrome Remote Desktop, add to Chrome. I am adding it to the Chrome, and now a dialog box, add app. And now you can see it is downloading some files. It would take 20 seconds hardly. Now it is adding to the Chrome. uh, the new window will pop up itself automatically. As you can see, mine will be popping up within 1 2 seconds. Yes, it popped up. And now you can see Chrome Remote Desktop. You have to click on that. Now get started with my computers. You can see the second one. And now enable remote connection, accept and continue. Okay, now open it with Google Chrome, and downloading will start. It will download a setup, actually, setup of Chrome Remote Desktop, and it is about 11-12 MBs. So it has already downloaded. I'm opening it, so it will be running, preparing to install. And now you can see it is installing. Now you can go for new tab also, and in their apps, if it is not automatically open, you can go for apps. Now again Chrome Remote Desktop. Now again enable remote connection. It will ask for pin, but if you are not signed into your Chrome, then it will ask for your Gmail account verification. So you can verify with your username and password. I had already signed in, so I have to just enter my pin. The pin should be at least 6 digits. As you can see, I will enter the pin now. Actually, I had opened two windows, so I have to close one and enter the pin. Now to confirm your pin, you have to retype the same pin, and now it it enabled. It is taking some time. Oh, it failed. It failed actually due to my lost connection. I lost my Wi-Fi connection. I am connecting it again. I paused the video, and now again we are connecting. Yeah, remote connection is there. You can see. I'm removing the pre-created computers that I had created before this video. Uh, the original now we have created is, you can see, it is written in front of that, disable remote connection, means it is enabled now, and if you click on that it will be disabled. So you can edit the name, like I will write for hacking machine. And now as you can see it is enabled, so I will go in my Android device Play Store. I will search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Now as you can see, I have already installed it, so I will directly open it and it will show you my computers, and in that you can see hacking machine is there. It is connecting to hacking machine, and now as you can see I have all access to my computer. I can click anywhere, I can do anything that I can remote access my laptop now. You can zoom in, zoom out, anything you want, and stop sharing if you want to end it.